Hello everyone, hello. Welcome back to my channel. My name is V. Today it's not an eyeshadow look. I did this look, I did not record it. I was testing a live on Instagram, and this is the looks that I created. To see the full video, you can go on my Instagram handle, which is simply you53. That's me, and you'll see this whole look. It was just trying Instagram live for the first time. But while I finished doing this, Boxy came by, and I was like, Boxy is here. And the reason why I have Boxy is this year, 2021, I am going to be 55 years young, 55 young. And I decided to treat myself to something. And since I like eyeshadow palettes, and I know Boxy does put eyeshadow palettes in boxes, I decided I will subscribe for 1 year so I can get a palette every month and I can do some eyeshadow looks. And that will be my birthday gift to myself. So Boxy just arrived, so I'm doing an unboxing, my first Boxy. So let us see what is in Boxy. Never had one. This is what the box looked like, and it is all sealed. Like I say, I just finished the live on Instagram and this came. I'm opening it. I have never had a Boxy before. Wow. Okay, let's bring it up. New to Boxy new Boxy here. I don't know which box this is because, like I said, I did it late because I've been procrastinating for like a month. Should I get it? Should I get what box? I've looked on Amazon, all the other subscriptions, and I was like, okay, I'll take a chance with Boxy because some people seem to be having a lot of good stuff in their boxes, so I decide I'll take a chance. So this is what the box looked like. I have not moved anything. I don't want these to fall. I don't know what it's saying. It's a Hello Charmer. The first thing on there is Wonder Beauty Double Date Lip and Cheek. This is the box. Wow. I'm trying to open this thing. This is the box. This is the packaging. And this looks pretty. This is one side. And then the other side, this. So it is a double side. One is the cheek and one is the lip. Wonder Beauty. That's product number 1. Product number 2 says NCLA Los Angeles Treatments, So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. And it looks like this. Just looks like this. Let me see if it has a smell. Oh, it smells really good. That smells really nice. I didn't see if this had a smell. No smell, thank God. I don't really care for smells in my stuff. Okay. That cuticle oil smells good. Okay, so now this one top. So I take this out, and it has this card. And I think this, yeah, that's the February box. Because when I did it, it was, like I say, late because I've been procrastinating. And it's a Boxy XOXO. I know you maybe have seen it, but you have not seen it on my channel. This is the back. And okay, so this cuticle oil is $18. This Wonder Beauty Double Lip and Cheek is $22. Okay, now we're opening the rest of the BoxyCharm. This hydration, it's a Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. This was a free gift. I know it said that was a free gift. I got the GLAMIERRE. I think that's the name, GLAMIERRE. So on here it says GLAMIERRE Pink Luxe Glitter Eye Brush Collection, and that's $29.95. Yeah, brushes are expensive. Even when you go to the store, they're expensive. And for me who love brushes, this is a good thing. Okay, packaging. Little pouch. You open and there are 4 little brushes in there. Okay. Oh, it moves. Okay. These are the 4 brushes. Right. Then the next thing is TULA Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Okay. And this is $32. This is what it looks like. This is the packaging. Right. That's that. And then the last thing in the box is BEAUTE, which retails for $38.99. It's the Nostalgia palette. Outside packaging, I like the color on the outside. A little piece of stuff falls out. And then these are the colors. Okay. That's the colors in there. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And lavender, yellow, these are some of the swatches of the colors. These are all matte colors that I'm swatching. The palette is nice. The palette is pretty. Let me see this one right here. That's an orange shimmer. That's an orange shimmer. This one, shimmer foil, whichever one it is. But the palette is pretty. This is everything that was in the box. The palette alone makes up for it. The palette alone makes up for it because that is why I wanted the box for a palette. I'll show you my other Ace Beauty. This is my other Ace Beauty palette that I bought. And this is the one I got. And this one is the Flare palette. And then this one that I got from BoxyCharm is the Nostalgia palette. So see the difference? Colors are all different. The purple is different, everything. So that's a good thing. Now I have a new palette. So if I get a new palette every month, I am good. And then after the year is up, I will decide if I do want to keep it or not. But this is why I got it. So I got my BEAUTE palette. I got my TULA skincare. I got my brushes with a little. I get my brushes with this little pouch. I got my 2-in-1 by Wonder Beauty. I got my cuticle oil. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 items in the box. And it's worth my $25 because for this palette alone, it's worth my $25. The rest of the stuff is just added. But my main reason is to get the palette every month. Get a new palette and try it and see and work. Oh, this is it. This is all that I got from my Boxy charm. This is all that I got from my Boxy charm. First Boxy charm. Am I happy with it? Yes. Is it worth the $25? Well, 26 and change with taxes and everything. Yes. Am I gonna enjoy the products? The palette for sure, the skincare for sure, the lip I will keep you when I'm using that I'll show you, and the brushes I will try them. This is it. I like it. It's exciting. This is the February palette. This is the February box. I got it late because, like I said, I procrastinated and decided, okay, finally I was trying to figure out what do I want for my 55th birthday gift, and I came down to that since I like eyeshadow palettes. So again, thank you all for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe. If you like my content, 2-color eye look, two different smoky eye look, 2 different colors. Check it out on Instagram, simplyyou53. Always remember, self first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. Check me out on Instagram. I look.